6.1.9% financing. EXT cab 4-wheel drive. Leather. GM certified 2012 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 EXT cab LT, black on black heated leather seating, best color combo made. 5.3 L58 engine under the hood, 6 SPD automatic transmission, heavy-duty cooling package, engine oil cooler HD transmission oil cooler, Carfax 1 owner. No accidents. Let's go over all the options on this American workhorse. Z71 off-road pack, heated leather seating, Bluetooth, USB port, steering wheel radio controls, fog lamps, as lift tailgate, 17 aluminum wheels, locking rear diff, 3 free months ONSTAR. 3 free months XM radio. 2 years 30,000-mile maintenance plan covers your oil changes and tire rotations for the first 2 years. Let's talk free certified warranty. You get a 48-month 48,000-mile bumper,